Welcome to Raw and Real with Shikha. My name is not that. Aaj Shikha is right here Apollo ke saath mein. I've known this girl since the last more than 10 years. She's my Rakhi sister as well. But we will not go into personal details anymore. We'll be keeping it professional as always because this is Raw and Real with Shikha.
Yay! Thank you, Sid. Thank you so much for coming in.
Pleasure. Thank you for having me.
Thank you, Sid. Sid, पहले तो ये बताओ कि रेडियो ने आपको चुना या आपने रेडियो को?
I don't know, but it worked for the both of us, is what I can say. So my mom was in All India Radio back in the day before her shadi. She used to be on air, and so I think the radio kind of wahan se aaya, the whole thing. But she never forced any one of her kids into media background. So my dad was an automobile engineer. तो वो जैसे होता है ना, जैसे डैड को आप देखते हो वैसे ही आपको भी होना होता है, स्पेशली फॉर बॉयज. सो दैट वाज काइंड ऑफ व्हाट आई वेंट विद. सो आई वाज मोर ऑफ अ कि डैड ने इंजीनियरिंग करी है, मेरे को भी इंजीनियरिंग करनी है, मैं भी ऑटोमोबाइल्स में जाऊंगा, मैं भी बहुत पैसे कमाऊंगा. कुछ नहीं हुआ. किया ऑटोमोबाइल किया, सब कुछ किया. आई वाज वर्किंग विद डैड फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम. देन थिंग्स हैपेंड एंड इवेंचुअली मेरे को 15 दिन में रेडियो जॉकी बने का एक बोर्ड दिखा, which I joined that course, and there were about 25 students in that. और we finished off 15 दिन का कोर्स. वो एक घंटा, वो जैसे होता है 15 घंटे में आपको इंग्लिश सिखाएं, 24 घंटे में इंग्लिश सिखाएं, वैसे वाला. So I was the only one who actually got into a radio station, who got a नौकरी in a radio station. तो वहाँ से it started off. That was I think in 2002, if I'm not mistaken. So that's where it started off from.
तो मैंने सुना है कि मतलब रेडियो पे वही लोग आते हैं जो या तो फिर टीवी कमर्शियल में या फिर बॉलीवुड में कहीं चल नहीं पाते. Are they ugly looking?
Yeah, they have a face for radio. एकदम करेक्ट सुना है आपने.
So tell
Exhibit
me,
101.
Sid, tell me कि अगर like Sid की लाइफ आज के हिसाब से कैसी होगी?
आज के हिसाब से सिड की लाइफ, as in you want me to give you the whole
day,
my
about
day?
a day.
It's changed a lot since the last 1 year, I would say. Now because I am no more on air, I am looking after the station now. I am heading the station City 1016. So abhi I usually try and get up early and get the kids to school. The one good thing which has happened over the years is that अब मेरे को टाइम मिल रहा है बच्चों को स्कूल छोड़ने के लिए, because otherwise I was doing the morning shift. तो उसके अंदर अगर 6 बजे शुरू करना होता था, 5:30 बजे आपको स्टूडियो पहुंचना है. I never got the time to leave my kids to school.
Okay.
Which I got a chance after about I think 13 years, which was a good thing.
Right.
So
मतलब प्रमोशन हो गया भैया का.
but actually में प्रमोशन हो गया है, but उसके साथ साथ अब वो बोलते हैं कि पिकअप भी करो. So वो that has become like दोपहर को is little bit of a problem. But yeah, so I leave the kids to school, go to the office by around 9:30. Out there with the crazy team of City 1016, thinking of ideas. दिमाग खराब हो रहा है. किसी को लग रहा है कि दिस इज अ क्रेजी आइडिया, यहाँ पे आना चाहिए, इधर से शाहरुख खान एंटर करेंगे और वहां से हम लोग कुछ और बन के एंटर करेंगे एंड वी विल हैव फुल ब्लास्ट ऑन एयर एंड ऐसा कुछ करना चाहिए. ऑल दोस थिंग्स हैपेंड टिल अबाउट 5-6 o'clock. Then going back home and it's pretty chill, to be honest. It's a pretty chill thing. And then on the weekends I am out here recording podcasts.
Nice.
आपके साथ.
Thank you so much. So what is your go-to ritual before going live on air?
Before going live on air? On stage या on radio?
On stage or radio?
On stage is I follow Amitabh ji.
Okay.
Make sure that you check your zippers. That's
right. Offended नहीं होना चाहिए.
Offended किसी को नहीं होना चाहिए और अपने को embarrassment नहीं होना चाहिए.
Correct.
Because that is you're on stage in front of so many people. That is a must. On air, one ritual is just before going on air, the first the last 10 seconds, just block out everything and just focus on the console and the monitor in front of you.
Okay.
That's all.
So अगर कोई ऐसा एयर मोमेंट जो आपको अपनी लाइफ से या लाइक इफ यू कुड हैव इरेज्ड और या फिर जो आपको बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल मोमेंट लगा, इफ यू वांट टू शेयर दैट मोमेंट विद अस.
यार, the beauty about radio is ke everything is live. Unlike TV, unlike cinema, unlike OTT, unlike any of the other mediums, radio is in that moment.
Right.
It all happens. And हम लोग के साथ में like even stand up comedy is कि वो जो रूटीन होती है स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियंस की, इट इज द सेम रूटीन जो वो अलग अलग जगहों पे करते हैं. फॉर रेडियो प्रोफेशनल्स स्पेशली, it's every single day you are coming up with a new take, a new content जो आपके पास में होता है, and you need to make it personal. And that's where the beauty is. Everything is, मतलब आपको मालूम है कि this is what the structure is, लेकिन improvisations जहाँ पे आती है, impromptu चीजें जहाँ पे हो जाती हैं, those are the fun bits of it, right? So I remember when I was doing a show with Parikshit, and something happened. We were just jamming in the studio, and दिमाग खराब हो रहा था कि यार ऐसा हो रहा है, वैसा हो रहा है, शो के अंदर क्या और कर सकते हैं, and all of those things. But at the same time, we were also doing some contest. I don't exactly remember what. And the guy who came on air, he said something about I don't even remember what. But उसका consequence ये हुआ कि परी हंसते हंसते पीछे चला गया.
Oh, okay.
And he actually fell off. He actually fell off the chair in the studio. But the mics are on, and I can see him. अभी मुझे दिख रहा है. अबे ये तो चला गया पीछे. And we are both laughing.
Yeah.
And that is a moment. That in itself created that moment. And even the guy जो वो अपना listener जो है, he is also like, हाँ परी भैया गिर गए. Like,
Correct.
परी भैया गिर गए. Those are the moments. I mean, that's one of those moments that is right up there. I mean, celebrities are there. It's nice. Hosting concerts is there. It's nice. But these are the moments
Small
which
moments,
just sparkle up. You know?
Correct.
So yeah,
Definitely.
for me, those are the things.
Okay, then how do you prepare yourself, or any RJ would prepare before any show?
Right.
Weekly affairs में या फिर daily affairs में?
Okay. हर एक का अलग अलग होता है. I can only talk about myself, and now I would want to talk about myself only because I am handling a team now.
Okay.
क्योंकि I have seen how I do it is very different from how Varun will do it, how Lokesh will do it, how a Tarun will do it, how a Mariam or a Pavitra will do it, how a Parikshit will do it. Everybody has their own thing. For me, I need to know exactly कि क्या हो रहा है, किस हिसाब से हो रहा है. I will literally write down everything on a sheet of paper, right? I need to know what are the questions that I'm going to ask. I want to do my preps. I want to go back and see कि अगर मैं कुछ नया इसके अंदर कुछ जोड़ पाऊँ. My problem is that I am very inquisitive by nature. I want to, because mechanical engineer, right? वो खोल के सब कुछ जब तक नहीं देखो तब तक कैसे वो spring क्यों इतना ज़्यादा वो करता है, उछलता है and all of that. Unfortunately, that is the way the brain works. So I want to go in fully prepped. I want to go in what is the like literally I have scripts. Back in the day, I used to write down all my scripts for every show every day. Whether it is a morning show or an afternoon show or a night show or the weekend shows, it does not matter.
Okay, so script लिखनी पड़ती है. Like,
for me.
For you.
For me. It just works for me. I know कि this is it. कि मेरे को I have to follow these rules. इसके ऊपर I can work around. I know exactly where I will go, how well I will do. वो सारा कुछ मेरे को है. But the base, I want to make sure कि that is solid. उसके ऊपर आप चाहे
you can add on.
Yeah, you have a one bedroom का apartment या Burj Khalifa. That is totally your call, right? But the foundation needs to be right.
Right.
So that's where that's how I work.
So do you actually run the randomizer या फिर आप बेस्ट वाले को ही चुनते हो कि जिसका मैसेज मुझे अच्छा लगा?
नहीं, we do have a randomizer. We do go and we do make sure कि everybody gets equal opportunity. Also for the fact क्योंकि City 1016 comes under Dubai Holdings.
Right.
We are audited heavily. मतलब कुछ भी कर ले, साल के 3 महीने फाइनेंस वाले और प्रोग्रामिंग वाले और मार्केटिंग वाले ऐसे ऐसे कर रहे होते जब ऑडिटर्स आके बैठे
Right.
होते कि क्योंकि दे विल आस्क फॉर द माइन्यूटेस्ट ऑफ डिटेल्स कि ये अगर 500 दिरहम का प्राइस भी आपने दिया है, ये वाला अगर बंदा जीता है या बंदी जीती है, ये 3 महीने पहले is the same number, not even the name can be the same, but the same numbers are there. Why are we giving it to the same people again and again? You know?
Right.
So that is one thing that we need to be well aware of, and we try and make it as equal for everybody as possible. So randomizer, yes, it is a very genuine thing, and I would invite you to the studio. Please come down.
Definitely.
Have a look.
मैं देखना चाहूंगी.
Yeah, please
Randomizer
experience
बाबा
it.
काम कैसे करते हैं?
उसकी वजह से हमको बहुत गालियां पड़ती हैं. The problem is that.
तो अगर दुबई were a genre
हाँ
of
जी.
music,
Right.
what would it be and why?
I would say Dubai cannot be one genre of music. Dubai should be the City 1016 of music, and यहाँ पे I will just try to just. It's for everybody. It does not matter कि आप 50 plus हो या आप 17 years के हो. You will have somebody who is playing, somebody who is enjoying a Punjabi music, somebody who is enjoying aaj ka latest music, somebody who enjoys retro music, somebody who enjoys 90s ka music, somebody who enjoys 80s ka music, somebody who enjoys Shah Rukh Khan from Dilwale, or somebody who would enjoy Shah Rukh Khan from Pathan. You have everything, right? So it can't be just one genre. It is somebody who I would say enjoys Arijit Singh in Sapphire and Arijit Singh singing you know, Ashiki 2 as well.
Correct.
So I would say it's more of, and I will plug my station here, City 1016.
The best. UAE's #1 radio station.
Thank you
right?
very much. Absolutely.
So if you would have called a musician
हाँ
on
जी.
your or he would be a co-host of your,
हाँ जी.
तो वो कौन से musician होंगे? Who would he?
I would say like we've had the opportunity, and we've been all the musicians have been very gracious to us, but जो fun वाला element आता है ना, I remember the most fun interaction जो हुआ था was with Sonu Nigam and with the Pakistani band Strings. So these are the two people or the two groups, I would say, jinko we would love to have, and I would love to do a show with them. Sonu Nigam, he's an encyclopedia. And he loves mimicry, and he just enjoys people and enjoys throwing stuff at you, and फिर आप उनको एक one up करके एक joke मारो, आप वो फिर आगे से एक one up करके आपको एक joke मारेंगे. It's a very casual conversation, but it just blows up into something else altogether.
Nice.
He's enjoyable. He himself enjoys, और उनके साथ साथ आप बाकी के लोग भी enjoy करते हैं.
Do you want to share a moment कि क्या हुआ था with Sonu Nigam?
Those are unfortunately all backstage. But what I can, okay, so our tagline is UAE's #1 Bollywood music station, and हम लोग का जब भी on air we go, so the top of the hour we have a jingle that plays out. Literally, we've had Sonu Nigam sing out the jingle as Asha Bhosle ji, as Udit Narayan ji, as Sonu Nigam ji, as 3-4 अलग singers, just random ऐसे ही बैठे हुए हैं, we're just waiting. बातचीत चल रही है, पीछे से वो जिंगल चल रही है, and he's like, अच्छा अगर ऐसे होता तो ये होता है, अगर ऐसे होता तो ये होता है, ऐसे होता ये. I'm like, bro, you are too good. आप अपरंपार हो.
So अगर शिखा होती तो ऐसे गाती ना, City
Exactly.
1016 ये है मेरी दुनिया, City
Absolutely.
1016 जीने शीने का मजा. तो अगर
Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच. सो अगर आपकी लाइफ एक पॉडकास्ट होती
हाँ जी.
तो क्या सीजन्स, कैसे सीरीज होते, व्हाट वुड द सीजन बी टाइटल्ड एज?
मेरी लाइफ अगर पॉडकास्ट होती तो फिर इट्स नॉट द एंड उसका टाइटल होता. And it would have I'll are you asking seasons in terms of
Like a series, like what would the season be titled as? Season आपके पॉडकास्ट का.
so my seasons would be different क्योंकि the phases in life are different for me. I would have एक phase था जब I was completely an outdoor person. एक phase था when I was completely I would say into cars. एक phase था when I was completely on air. एक phase था when I was completely. Are we asking that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So those are going to be the seasons.
So do
I
you
would
want
say.
to just explain, like more elaborate?
Okay.
जब आप outdoor थे तो like.
Okay. So I'll tell you a story. And tell me जब I speak too much.
No.
So I can keep rambling on and
Yes,
on and
yes.
on because मेरे घर पे बच्चे नहीं सुनते.
I like to hear you.
Thank you. Okay. When we had initially shifted to Dubai, this was back in 2010. तो उस टाइम पे I had just come in and my brother-in-law was already here. So we were just chatting कि क्या करना है, क्या कर सकते हैं, and I have थोड़ा सा extra time on hand, and my wife had not shifted. So just trying to figure out कि क्या और हो सकता है. So he had told me कि भैया यहाँ पे ना it's all about mall culture. उससे ज़्यादा और कुछ नहीं है, बस लोग जाते हैं मॉल में अंदर बैठते हैं, कैफेज होते हैं all that. But I wasn't satisfied because from where I come from in Delhi, we have 6 घंटे की ड्राइव करो आप, वो चंडीगढ़ आ जाता है, चंडीगढ़ से आप ऊपर सीधा सीधा हिमालय चले जाते हो. आप दूसरी साइड पर निकल जाओ तो यू गो टू मसूरी, यू गो टू द अदर प्लेस. आप थोड़ा सा और ड्राइव करके जाओगे तो यू आर इन द फुट हिल्स अगेन. और 2 घंटे आप दूसरी साइड पे सॉरी और 2 घंटे आप दूसरी साइड पे चले जाओगे तो वहां पे वो जयपुर निकल जाता है, वहां पे रेगिस्तान है. यू हैव umpteen number of things that you can do in drivable distance and time.
Right.
Which is what I was thinking of doing here. कि और क्या क्या कर सकता हूँ मैं यहाँ पे in Dubai. So I started to just do some research. तो तब मेरे को पता चला कि आप ऑफ रोडिंग भी कर सकते हो गाड़ियों के साथ में, आप मोटर क्रॉस भी कर सकते हो, आप देयर आर एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट्स, आप रसल खेमा भी जा सकते हो, वहाँ पे आप रॉक क्लाइंबिंग कर सकते हो, आपके पास में वादीज हैं जहाँ पे आप जा सकते हो, वहाँ पे गाड़ियाँ लेके भी जा सकते हो, खुद हाइकिंग करके भी जा सकते हो, वीकेंड्स पे आप ट्रिप भी कर सकते हो, दोस्तों के साथ में आप नाइट कैंपिंग भी कर सकते हो, डेजर्ट के अंदर भी आप जा सकते हो, बीच के ऊपर भी आप कुछ कर सकते हो. It was just my inquisitive behavior, I would say, trying to find out what are the other things that I can do. So that was a phase. And like I said, that in itself would have been one of the seasons. That where are the things that I can go or I can do. There is a place called Snoopy Island. I want to go there. Fujairah के अंदर there is a place जहाँ पे आप बदायर के अंदर जा सकते हो for अपना off-roading. गाड़ियों के साथ में there is these full off-roading groups जिनके साथ में आप jeeps लेकर निकल जाओ. Then there are places जहाँ पे आप motorcycles लेके and you can just go and you can drive in the sand in the desert without doing anything. Hours and hours. Again, so all of these are outdoor stuff and I like doing it and I enjoy doing it, whether it is on land, on air, in air, on sea. So those are the things which I would be having in that particular podcast. Okay, this is a season. These are the things that you can do. You can do skydiving also. You can go to the beach also. You can go to the desert also. This is what. That's what I meant. So outdoors के हिसाब से.
Right. And indoors के हिसाब से?
Indoors के हिसाब से I would say कि it would again गर्मियाँ हैं जब हम ये podcast record कर रहे हैं तो things that you can do indoors, things that you can enjoy indoors. places which are fun indoor activities. You know, just having places like I remember back in the day there was this one cafe that we went to जहाँ पे आपकी कॉफी के साथ साथ they give you these painting mugs अब पूरा का पूरा आपके colors and you can just sit and you can paint the mugs जो उनके होते हैं
Nice.
and you spend hours in the cafe आप कॉफी croissant अपना order करें and all of that and those mugs they have a पूरा का पूरा wall जहाँ पे you can place your mug as an exhibit.
Okay, wow.
It's very simple but it just is one of those things जो आप जाके enjoy कर सकते हो.
Correct.
You know, so maybe something like that. Maybe try and find out more things like that. I like to go out. I like to try out as much as I can. So those are the things that I.
Well, you like to explore.
I love exploring. I love because जब हम लोग छोटे थे तब Dad used to be working all 12 महीने. बीच में सिर्फ 15 दिन का एक उनको टाइम मिलता था कि 2 महीने की छुट्टियों के अंदर कि चलो अब हम गाड़ी उठाएंगे और कहीं पे निकल जाएंगे. कहाँ पे निकलेंगे मालूम नहीं है but and he's driven from Jammu and Kashmir to Kanyakumari in his car all throughout India. He's gone. So just being with him and just going to enjoying वो गन्ने का रस जूस अपना रोड साइड उसको निकालते हुए और देखते हुए और पीते हुए यहाँ पे निकल गए वहाँ पे निकल गए. It was always that. So exploration is fun.
Correct. So is your kids also enjoying that? Like your children?
I'm pushing them. उसने कहा
But I
मैं
think वो बड़ा वाला तो
I'm
he's
still
with you,
nudging.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's very much there with me. The younger one is right now. He is into football. He's enjoying sports more. The elder one is also he has his own things that he enjoys. He loves basketball. He loves, but yes, he also enjoys automobiles. He enjoys cars. He enjoys the stuff जो मेरे को अच्छा लगता है तो it's kind of like हाँ मेरे को अगर कोई और नहीं मिलेगा मैं उसको बोलूँगा चल तू मेरे साथ में चल.
Okay.
We'll see.
And what's your wife's take on it? Like
She loves it.
She loves it.
Yeah. She's like, as long as you are there with him, I don't mind it. And she also has a knack for the same thing, which is why अभी तक हम लोग साथ हैं.
अरे वाह, nice. I think she's a Sindhi, right?
She is a Sindhi, yes.
Yeah?
She is a Sindhi, yes.
So कुछ बताओगे अपने love story के बारे में? I have heard lot of stories. I know lot of stories, but आपसे सुनना चाहती हूँ मैं.
Okay, she's
कैसे पटाया था?
कैसे पटाया था was so she had actually okay. So the background is कि my best friend was interested back in the day with one of her cousins. He was interested. उनका तो कुछ हुआ नहीं. हम लोग वहाँ पे पहली बार मिले and then we just took it forward. So that is how it started off.
So what is that tuition teacher वाला story?
Okay, we're going there. Sorry, Mama. Okay, so yeah, she was in 12th standard. I was in college, second year, and उसको pass होना था. She was wanting tuitions in history, and मेरे को था कि मैं बन जाता हूँ. क्या problem? History teacher.
Wow.
And हमने पूरा खादी ग्रामोद्योग से एक खादी का कुर्ता लिया, वो पहना, प्रॉपर चश्मे जो गांधी जी वाले होते हैं वो पहने, टिपिकल तेल लगा के उनके घर पे गया कि मैं ट्यूशन टीचर हूँ, मैं 3rd ईयर का स्टूडेंट हूँ एंड मेरे को ये एक्स्ट्रा मनी चाहिए क्योंकि मैं कहीं यूपी से कानपुर से कहाँ से मैं आया हूँ और मेरे को एक्स्ट्रा पैसे मिल जाएंगे ट्यूशन से तो मेरी ट्यूशन अपना जो है और कॉलेज की वो भी निकल जाएगी. ऑल ऑफ दैट चल गया, हो गई बात, पढ़ाना शुरू किया, पढ़ाई हुई, एग्जाम्स आए, एग्जाम्स हुए, एग्जाम्स का रिजल्ट आया, वो फेल. मैं गायब. So that's how it happened. But yeah, मेरा खर्चा अभी भी बाकी है. पैसे अभी भी मेरे बाकी हैं.
अभी बाकी है मतलब आपको पे नहीं किया होगा मदर इन लॉ ने.
वो मैं गया ही नहीं लेने के लिए to be honest. यहाँ तो पैसे मिलते हैं, जूते मिलते हैं, so I was like नहीं रहने दो.
बट जब शादी हो रही थी तब तो मदर इन लॉ
किसी को नहीं मालूम.
किसी को नहीं पता.
Recently she found out, I think 3 years back or something.
Hmm.
Recently she found out that that guy was me.
Oh my God.
So it was after about 22, 23 years that she found out कि यही था वो.
यही
कुत्ता.
था. Tuition teacher.
हाँ.
Okay. Let's get into the rapid fire.
ठीक है जी.
What's that one sound
Hmm.
which you love and the sound which drives you crazy?
So the one sound that I love
Hmm.
is जो वो SMS आता है ना, salary is credited. वो बहुत अच्छा
वो
लगता
अच्छा
है.
लगता है
वो महीने के बाद में जब आता है तो very nice. And the second one which drives me crazy is the Formula One cars when they are on track. Just go. That वाला. Amazing.
अरे वाह. What will be your coffee looks like जब आपको लगता है कि you need more sleep
हाँ.
and you have 5 more meetings to go.
तो coffee with Red Bull.
Coffee with Red Bull.
अब क्या करोगे आप?
Combination. I think I will also try once. क्या
Yeah.
बिल्कुल नींद नहीं आती है?
फिर उसके बाद में आप हेलीकॉप्टर बन जाते हैं. You are just going there.
All right. First song you would play अगर आप रेडियो स्टेशन पे अकेले हो एंड बिल्कुल फ्रीडम के साथ में.
First song, okay. जब हैरी मेट सेजल में there is this one very underrated song. It's called Suffer. It's Arijit Singh song. And जैसे पुराने जमाने में चिट्ठी आई है हुआ करता था ना पंकज उदास का, and people NRI, most of the NRIs, they used to feel that song के बहुत अच्छा है and all of that. This kind of works for me. So even the kids know मेरे घर पे भी also कि अगर उनको कोई मतलब वो बोलेंगे मेरे को कि चलो मैं आपका गाना चलाता हूँ, Spotify पे चल रहा है and all of those things. So they'll be like कि अच्छा पापा को सुनना है तो we'll start off with this song. So it's called Suffer. It's by Arijit Singh. And yeah, the words, the lyrics, they just touch you.
गा के बताओ थोड़ा सा.
मैं जॉक हूँ, मैं गायक नहीं हूँ. ये कस्टम्स वाले भी बहुत दफा पूछते हैं.
एक लाइन आप अपने गाने की गाई.
नहीं, उसमें the गाना in itself, I won't be able to sing, to be very honest. I won't do justice to it. But
okay, so moving on to the next question.
हाँ.
What was your plan B अगर रेडियो नहीं होता तो?
Automobiles, for sure, automobiles, or something to do with automobiles and outdoors. Maybe have a racetrack, design a racetrack, go like an off-roading track, and just combine the two. I love it. Dad already had a business. उनका automobiles का business था, workshop का business था. So I would have obviously taken that forward. Was trying to do that, but this radio just happened. So yeah, it was very clear in my head कि either this or this. कुछ ना कुछ तो इन दोनों के अंदर होना.
तो City 1016 या फिर कोई और रेडियो?
और City 1016 every single day.
Definitely.
या 15 साल हो गए हैं अभी उनके साथ में. So yeah, I've literally grown up with City 1016 in Dubai.
Yeah.
So yeah.
I think मुझे भी like some 22 years तो हो गए दुबई में.
Right.
तब से लेकर अब तक मैं सिर्फ वही एक चैनल सुनती हूँ, City 1016.
धन्यवाद.
So,
धन्यवाद.
I know City 1016 from the time of Gaurav, Abhijit, Pecker.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yes.
So out of these, I only had the chance of working with Pecker. Because जब मैं आया था, everybody else was already, they had either joined other stations or something else.
Yeah.
They were trying to do something of their own. Pecker के साथ में, I got the chance to really interact, and it was so much fun.
Yes.
It was like those 2 months were probably so much of learning from her. It was and मैं एकदम नया था. I was like a first year student in college. आधी से ज़्यादा चीजें मेरे को मालूम नहीं थी कि क्या होती हैं दुबई के अंदर. Coming out for the first time outside of India to a different place altogether. Right. So उसने मतलब literally मेरे को समझाया था कि दुबई में तू ऐसा कर, दुबई में ऐसा होता है, ये चीजें यहाँ पे जा, तेरे को कड़क चाय यहाँ पे मिलेगी, 1 दिरहम के अंदर तू यहाँ पे जा सकता है, you don't need to spend 5 dirhams, 10 dirhams for this. So really helped out. Wow. Really, she was very helpful.
Yeah, I think, yeah, she was not there for a longer period, but she was really good.
Very
She was
good.
doing the afternoon shows, and then I think आपने वो take over किया था afternoon
She
shows.
was doing the mid-morning. So after, so from 10 o'clock till 2 o'clock is what her slot was.
Okay, yeah.
And then I used to take over from 2 o'clock onwards.
Hmm.
But 1 से 2 के बीच में we used to have one show which was like a kind of a एक lap
हाँ.
एक दूसरे के ऊपर में that we were both together on the same 1 घंटा. So
अरे वाह.
that was one time when we used to really interact and have fun.
Wow. Coming back to the rapid fire.
हाँ जी.
कौन सा ऐसा एक question you wish that viewers आपसे पूछेंगे but पूछते नहीं?
यार, the problem is कि I have always been the one who is asking questions.
हाँ.
So वो वाला chance मिला ही नहीं. This is probably I can count on my fingers. ये अब आ रहे हैं. So I'm
Right.
still waiting कि कौन से questions मेरे को आएंगे, and so I really don't know, but I'm open to all questions.
Nice. SMS कैसे करते सिटी 1016 में?
4005 messaging.
बॉलीवुड बॉन्ड के लिए कौन सा तरीका है?
Rack Bank Bollywood Bond space आपका नाम, send it across 4005 पे, या फिर use the Air and Play app.
Right. मेरे को ऐसे ही मिल जाएगा ना?
Good question. All the best.
Have you ever said something on radio that got you in trouble, Sid?
Not in trouble, but I know that I should not have said that.
Mm-hmm.
For sure. Because क्या होता है ना कि, like I said, radio is a very live medium, and you are talking and you are thinking on your feet, especially when you have listeners, especially when you have other guests. You are the one who is commanding, and you are the one who is basically there for the interaction and stuff like that, and you steer the conversation. So उस हिसाब से also back in India, I was with Red FM earlier, and then I joined a radio station. I started off with Red FM. I joined a radio station called Radio 1, which was 94.3 in India. तो अब मैंने शुरू के 3 साल जो है सिर्फ 93.5 Red FM बोला है. First day on Radio 1.
Yeah.
And I start off with आप सुन रहे हैं पुराना वाला रेडियो स्टेशन. And it did go live. Then उस टाइम पे मेरा जो प्रोड्यूसर था, मेरा जो प्रोग्रामिंग हेड था, मेरा जो बाकी के लोग थे, वो सब स्टूडियो के अंदर ऐसे आए. They knew it happens, and all of us in the radio industry, we understand that,
Right.
that it is something जो you cannot help. वो होगा ही होगा.
हाँ.
आज नहीं तो कल, नहीं तो परसों होगा. So it's okay. But I had good people around me, so इतना ज़्यादा problem नहीं हुआ. But obviously, it should not have been said. So, but it was nice.
So who is
Actually,
that?
not nice. So sorry.
आते हैं next question पे. Who is that one public figure?
हाँ जी.
Who do you like? Do you think who is overrated?
Who's overrated? Nobody, yaar. Nobody. I think that's my personal opinion. कि everybody has put in enough and more to be where they are. And they are putting in the effort, because 8 billion आबादी है दुनिया की, but you still know only those 20, 30, 40, 80, 100 people.
Yeah.
So everybody has made a mark for themselves, or is trying to make a mark for themselves in good way, bad way, that's irrespective of the thing. But to stand out in a crowd, you need to do something or the other. So I wouldn't say underrated as such, but I would say that they can do better. You know, so that's, I'm not being diplomatic here, but I see, being in the media industry, I see the other side also. It's not just the glamour side, right? They are putting in the effort, even if they don't want to, but under pressure, they have to put in their, they have to put their personalities out. They have to put in 10 चीजें और उनको करनी पड़ती हैं, even if they don't want to do it, because they want to be seen at a particular event, at a particular, on a particular reel. People, unfortunately, we live in that era right now. Where pehle it used to be something else. So underrated, maybe not, but can do better for sure. There are quite a few.
Okay. Do you think media personalities fake stories?
Yeah,
और
of
just
course.
just for that listeners के लिए
Of
numbers
course.
बढ़ाने के लिए
Of course. Definitely करते हैं.
ये तो बिल्कुल ही रॉ एंड रियल जवाब हो रहे हैं.
आपने बुलाया ही ऐसी जगह पे, मैं क्या करूं?
चलो, सो अब मैं आपसे पूछती हूँ जो आपको ड्राइव करता है क्रेजीली. ओके, इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल और पेट्रोल.
Petrol.
ओके, 4-door sedan versus coupe.
Coupe.
Sports car versus 4-wheel.
So there's a saying, right? Sports cars can go fast. Off-roaders can go everywhere.
Mhm.
So,
Harley versus Hayabusa.
अगर आप मेरे को ये करीब 20 साल पहले पूछते तो हायाबुसा थी, आजकल हार्ली.
Owning versus leasing.
Owning. It depends on what are we asking. घर, गाड़ी.
गाड़ी.
Okay. Owning.
Okay. What's your take?
Hmm.
आजकल के जो apps निकले हैं, like, you know, take a ride or you drive or like that. So what's your take for the people who are moving to Dubai?
Right.
Whether they should buy or they should just take a ride.
See, initially you should definitely take a ride because you've just moved here. You don't want to spend too much also, and you want to save as much money as you can. I think the apps, they just allow you to just go from one point to the other, and you can just drop off the cars at a particular point in time. So at a particular space as well. So उस हिसाब से initially I would say for the first 6 months or 8 months you use the apps. Once you get used to, because आप बहुत दफ़ा exits मिस करोगे, बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक फाइन्स भी होंगे, बहुत ज़्यादा सालिक भी लगेगा, सब कुछ होगा. सब कुछ खत्म कर लो, get into the routine, ताकि जब आप अपनी गाड़ी लो तो फिर राजा बन के रहो.
वाह, क्या बात है. What's that one advice or I will say कि मतलब like जो आपको अच्छा लगता है, what would you like to say to my viewers and me?
This is one thing जो मेरे को बोला था रोहित जयकरण ने. He used to be with us on City 1016
Yes.
back in the day, and he always used to say कि every inconvenience is an opportunity.
Okay, nice.
So even if things are not going the way you want them to go, just show up.
Just show up.
Just show up and take the plunge. Don't think too much. It is happening in the long run. It is going to be something or somewhere you will reach uski wajah se.
Wow.
So every inconvenience is an opportunity is what I say.
And thanks to you reminding me about Rohit Jakaran. Rohit Jakaran के साथ में, I don't know if you remember, I was the winner of Big Boss season 6.
You guys had gone to Bombay.
2012. We had flown to Bombay. Yes.
Yes. Oh,
I
wow.
flew with Rohit Jakaran.
Yes.
And he was amazing. He was
He
not
is.
very talkative though, जैसे कि और दूसरे आर्टिस्ट हैं. Like I'm.
Yeah, that's Rohit.
Yes.
That is Rohit.
But he was amazing.
He still is amazing, and yeah, the man, he knows what he is talking about. Yeah, he's on a different scale altogether.
Yes.
I always say this about him. So
Wow. So that was Sid, my Rakhi Bhaiya, and we had lots of fun on Raw and Real with Shikha. Stay tuned for more stories like this. Till then, bye.